I done cut my hair. What's up, Candi Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candice, and today we are taking out these locks, honey. I've had them in for a month. It was officially a month yesterday, and it is time for these things to grow. Look at all this new growth I have. Do you see it? Do you see that? And this buildup, I have a whole bunch of new growth and a whole bunch of buildup. I know my eyebrows need to be done. Don't judge me. I know. But yeah. Ooh, and my head itch. Y'all, my head itch like crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh. So hopefully I can take these things out, figure it out. I did DM Lock Bay, the girl who did these locks, to ask her how to take them out. And she sent me a video. So hopefully it'll work. She used scissors. I don't have like, I have like these scissors, and like she had thin scissors like to get up under the lock. So I got these little scissors around, so hopefully these will be strong enough to cut the hair. But yeah, child, I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I can't even see. Anyway, let me just go ahead and get started. She has hair wrapped around the lock, so I think like she cut the hair that's wrapped first. So let me try to do that. Yeah, these scissors ain't good enough. They thin enough. Sorry, y'all, I gotta look in the mirror. They thin enough to get up under, but they're not strong enough to cut the hair. Oh no. I'm gonna have to, and these are too big to get up under the lock. I'm gonna have to go to the store. Dang it. Are these too big? Let me see. Can I get under there? I'm gonna have to go to the store. This is some boo-boo. They don't feel like going nowhere. It's cold as heck outside. Do Walgreens sell like the hair scissors? Cause I'm not trying to go into no store. Okay, I just looked it up. So yeah, they have some hair scissors. So let's stop and go to the store. Okay, I think these will work. They seem thin enough. Are these the only ones? I don't see any more scissors. Oh, are these all the same? Just different colors? Okay. Do y'all see any more? I don't see any more. Okay, I guess that's good enough. Alright, y'all. I'm back. I got my scissors right here. I also got me some Raisinets because I like Raisinets, okay? So yeah, we good. So hopefully these scissors will work better. So let's try this again. Oh goodness, these better be good enough. Okay, so I cut one of those little thingy things, and then she like pulled the braid out. Where's the braid? Right here. Okay, I ain't cut my hair, did I? Oh Lord. So pulling the braid out. Oh, it's a little twist. She twisted it. Oh, this gonna be easy, girl. I'm so glad you twisted my hair instead of freaking braiding it, because this gonna make it so much easier to take down. Okay, so then I pulled the braid out, and then what she did was she cut the rest of this lock. She just cut it off. Okay. And then she just pulled it down. Oh, how many? Crap, girl, I'm about to break a nail trying to get this. Okay, hold on, y'all. I gotta concentrate. I'm still here, y'all. I can't see what I'm doing. I don't know. Girl, I don't know what's what. Child, this gonna be harder than I expected. There we go. In and out. Is this my hair or is this the fake hair? Okay, this the fake. I thought I cut my hair. Okay, I got it out, y'all. You see all that build up? Ooh. Ooh. I got it out, y'all. One down. 1100 to go. I just gotta. I really don't feel like doing this. What time is it? It's 10:08. Screenshot it so I know. Move, Storm. Someone here trying to eat my hair. Child, I don't know how long it's gonna take me. And then, cause how I'm gonna do the back, y'all? How I'm gonna do the back? That's the question. Cause I can't see. I'm gonna have to move, y'all, cause I gotta be all up in this mirror. Okay, cut the lock. And then just try to unravel a knot. Okay. Child, I'm tired already. I only did 2 of them. Dang, Storm, hush. Do y'all hear him? I don't know what kind of video this is gonna be. It ain't gonna be much, cause child, I gotta concentrate. I ain't got time to talk to y'all right now. I don't. Sorry, y'all. I love y'all, but I gotta concentrate on this, child. I ain't got time to entertain y'all. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut my hair, cause I have done that before, child. I cut my hair like I had this much hair sticking out. I had this much hair left, and it was like right here in the middle. I got myself good, girl. I got myself good. That ain't gonna happen again. I gotta concentrate. All right. Fast forward.
Riding in a Beamer, yeah, ain't no two-seater. More room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips. Hope and wish and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way daddy raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing.
Y'all, I done cut my hair. Look at this. Look at this. That's my hair. I done cut off a whole freaking... Let me go ahead and unravel this. Look at how much of my hair I cut. Look at how much of my hair done cut. Oh my goodness. A dang shame. That's a shame. Y'all see that? Child. Child just got a little nub up here. Well, gotta keep going. Can't stop now. And I cut my hair again. You see it? This is the second one. Good job, Candace. Alright, y'all, so I moved to my living room because I don't know, I just wanted to be in my living room. So I took all of the locks out. It took me 4 hours to take them out. So now I just have to go through and untwist my hair, which I'm thinking that shouldn't take long since, like I said, she mostly twisted everything. Like, she braided the roots, but then she twisted everything else, so it shouldn't take that long. I cut my hair 4 times. 4 times. So I have 4 spots in my head where my hair is like this, and it's like coming out from the roots, just sticking out. So that's something. But yeah. So anyway, I'm about to finish watching TV, watching Netflix, while I take this out my head. So yeah.
Do my thing. I already pump no tags. Really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it. I got it. That's what you got it. I got it. Yes, I do. Every you for me. I'm lonely without my...
Alright, y'all, I'm back. Sorry, my battery died while I was taking out my braid twist, whatever. But I think it took me like 2 hours to do that. So let's see, how long did it take me all together? So yeah, I think it took me like 2 hours to take that down, and then, like I said, 3 hours before to take the actual locks on my head. So it took me 5 hours in all. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm not gonna wash it today because I ain't got time for it. But yeah, so this is me. But I will show you guys whenever I do wash it. It might be tomorrow, I don't know. But whenever I do wash it, I'll show you guys how much hair I have, like how much hair shedding I have, how much hair comes out. But yeah, it's good to see my hair again, child. I was over those locks. It was I love the locks, but it was just so much. It was so much hair, honey. It was so much. So I'm happy to have my regular hair back. But anyway, guys, I will see you when I wash my hair to show you how much hair shedding I've had over this month. So yeah. Alright guys, so I know I'm looking crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys how much hair came out when I was washing my hair. So it's actually like a couple days later, y'all. I kept forgetting to record the ending. This is my hair. This is all the hair that came out when I was combing and I was detangling. It's a good little bit. It's a nice size. It's a nice size ball. Look. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how much hair I lost after not, you know, combing my hair for a month because they were in that style. So yep, this is me. So, oops. And you think about this on top of the hair that I accidentally cut out my head. So, hey, it's alright though. I still got a lot of hair. I still got a lot. It's alright. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
No, I ain't trying to catch up to you. I like me is authentic, you gon' get the truth.